Yeah, hello. This is Learn Academy. Welcome to Blockchain 101, your simple guide to understanding what blockchain is and why it's so important for the future of technology and digital transaction. Okay, so what is blockchain? Okay, blockchain is like a digital notebook where everything is recorded in an ultra secure way. Once information is recorded in a block, it's nearly impossible to change or delete. These blocks are linked or changed together to form a complete record of transactions. So let's take a look at how does blockchain work. When a transaction occurs, it is broadcasted to the network. Then the layer 2, the miners verify and validate transactions. Okay, then the validated transactions are bundled up into a block, and the block are then added to the chain with a cryptographic hash which links it to the previous ones. Okay, then a consensus mechanism such as proof of work or proof of stake ensures that all participants in the network agree on the validity of the block before it is added to the chain. Okay, so why then is blockchain secure? What makes a blockchain so secure? Two things: encryption and decentralization. Encryption ensures the information inside each block is protected by complex codes, while decentralization means that instead of one computer controlling everything, thousands of computers all work together, making it impossible to hack the system. So let's take a look at some real world examples. Okay, blockchain is used in many areas today. For example, it powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and even Solana, Binance Smart Chain, and a host of other cryptocurrency. It's also used to track goods across global supply chains and even manage digital contracts known as smart contracts that are automatically executed. So, why should you care about blockchain? Okay, because it offers a transparent and efficient way to manage transactions. As we move into the future, blockchain will become more and more integrated into our daily lives. Thank you for watching this introduction to blockchain. If you'd like to learn more about how blockchain and technology are shaping the future, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video. Thank you. Bye for now.